this is Jolynn. I have a Facebook group called She Helps Me Sew, and I'm also on Instagram. And I'm going to show you how to make a quick Facebook mask using 2 pieces of quilting cotton and 2 pieces of double brushed polyester or t-shirt material. So if you have 2 pieces of quilting cotton, you can cut these out. This is the CDC size that they have on their website. This is 10 inches by 6 inches. And you want to use 2 different color fabrics so that you know which is the front and which is the back. You don't want the external part flipping and touching your face. So you're going to put the right sides together, just like this. I don't like to use pins, but if you find it easier to pin, that's up to you. I just make sure that it's really straight and that it lines up. I'm going to put 1 pin here just to know where I'm going to stop. I'm going to take this over to your machine and start stitching. You're going to back stitch so that when you turn that opening inside, right side out, you don't unravel it. I'm just doing a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Stopping the 1/4 inch from the edge on every side. And then I'm gonna just sew up until that point, back stitch, and then that's it. From here, you're just gonna clip your ends, your corners right here, right up close to the thread, but not cutting the thread. You wanna get it close enough so that you can get a clean corner when you turn it right side out. And you're going to take your opening and grab the end of the fabric from the other side and pull it through so that it's now right sides out. You take a chopstick or anything that has a pointed edge to push your corners out and make your edges straight. Just want to make it really sharp corner. And when you get to this end, open those threads, you can see here that you have a 1/4 inch on the inside. You're just going to flip that in and hold it in place. And then you're going to press it down with a hot steam iron. When you get to this point, you're going to take your hot steam iron and press it down. When you wash this, you can wash it with warm water and dry it tumble dry, low or medium. The steam iron also disinfects. So now you have your flat mask, and you're going to fold the ends in about a 1/2 inch. I am just eyeballing it, but you can use a ruler if you need to. And then from there, again, you can pin here if you want to, or you can clip it. You can use binder clips or wonder clips, depending on what you have. From here, you go back to the machine and start sewing again and back stitch. And then sew right up close to the edge, all the way to the end. Back stitch once, flip it around, and then we're just top stitching this edge here. okay if you go off a little bit, as long as you come back. Top stitch. I'm just going to turn it once, sew a few stitches, and then back stitch again. Here, just clip all these threads off. You're going to take your double brush poly or your t-shirt material, pull on it a little bit to make it like a rope. This is also good because once you've created this tunnel, if this falls apart or if you are able to get some elastic, you can cut it off and then replace it with elastic. So you can put this in here and push it through to the end. So there's that side. And the same thing to the other. So now you have your mask. So when you get to this point, this is what it's going to look like. When you have these two straps here, you're going to pull this so that you have a tight edge here that's close to your ear. And then you're going to take a light tie here, put one against one side of your face, and then you're going to fit it so you know how far you want to put it over your face. I want it here. This is where I want it. And then I'm going to use this, if I can just grab it, to know where I want to tie it. So I tie it here. This is comfortable for me, so this is how I'm gonna tie it. You can tie it a different way if you want to. And then you can also tuck that knot in to here if you want to. Once you have that side done, you can do the same thing to the other side. Fit it again. There's your mask. If it's too high around your eyes, you can push this down. And then you have a nice fit here. You have fit down here. And this is fit here. You can also put a bread tie if you want to get a closer fit here. Or you can just leave it as it is. And that's it.